What's up, guys? So we got a pretty interesting device. We have the Moto E5, the Walmart edition. I'm guessing that's what they call it. Pretty interesting. This is my first time seeing this. They have some really good prices for prepaid, so I thought this was a pretty interesting phone to go ahead and look at. So let's go ahead and try to get this off without. I'm gonna just tear it open. I don't feel like fighting with it. Fighting with this box. And there we go. So this is the E5, but it's the bigger version, and they didn't give it a different name. But it does have Android 8.1. It's got 5.7-inch display. 31 hours of battery talk time, standby 21 days. So fingerprint reader, all that good stuff. So it seems like it's the Moto G6, right? That's what it pretty much seems like. It seems like the Moto G6 Play, just rebranded different. This was $100, and yeah, it looks. That's pretty nice. Let me focus in. It looks exactly. That's pretty nice. I actually like this back more than the G6 Play. So actually a little more premium to me. But essentially still the same. It's still the same phone. Alright, so they're probably not going to give you a case with this phone like they did with the G6. Yeah, so you're just getting the power brick and the USB. What is this? Manuals. Number for activation. So guys, I got it booted up, got some apps installed on it, and I'm really liking it so far. It's really light and has a really nice feel to it. Definitely not cheap. So let's go into settings here. This is really bare bones Android right here. Let's see what we got. We got 9.6 gigabytes of storage left on here. Let's see. It should be Android 8.1. So Android 8.1 right out of the box, which is pretty nice. This phone is pretty fast and fluid. There's no Dolby audio for anybody that wants to know. So there's no Dolby audio on here. I don't know, maybe you can install it another way, but I'll definitely check that out and see. So far, this is a really fast phone. The screen on here is really nice. As you can see, it seems to be, I don't know, it seems to be an IPS panel. As you can see, it's not really washing out. So the screen is really high quality on here too. The cameras on here are nothing special. So let me just, it's the same, you know, Motorola camera. Let's see here. I just want to snap a photo real quick. So it's definitely, you know, and that's blurry, kinda. So it's definitely the same as the G6 Play. So this is essentially the G6 Play, but it's the E5. So I don't know what's going on with the naming on here, but you can see they did install a whole bunch of useless applications. Some of this is a lot of these are stuff that I put on here a little bit. Wi-Fi utility. Don't know what that is. Let's see what this is. So this manages your Wi-Fi settings to provide free high-speed data automatically by connecting to Wi-Fi hotspots. Okay, we don't want that. So yeah, this is a really nice phone so far. It pretty much runs applications. The screen is really beautiful on here too. So if you haven't seen it, I'll put the Moto G6 Play review. It's pretty much the same phone. It's just $100, and I think it's just a really great deal. So definitely, if you guys see this one in the store in Walmart, don't hesitate to check it out, because it is a pretty nice phone if you're on a budget, and they seem to have some really good contracts on Walmart. I saw them ranging from like $24 to $25 or something like that, depending on how much space you want to use. So that was sort of the overview of this phone. Not much. Like I said, I'll leave the Moto G6 Play review if you want to see all about this phone. I didn't see the Motorola Gestures. Let's see what they have. Yeah, see, this doesn't have everything. It's got the yes, it does. So it's got all the Motorola gestures and stuff. A tinted display, night display, like I said, the only thing it's really missing is the Dolby Audio, but this is pretty much bare bones Android. So thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one.